Do, 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 do. Hi guys, I got Auto Picture Perfect, and sorry about that in the background. That's my sister and my dad. But anyway, I made a different view because the computer changed spots. And yeah, today, I don't know what we're doing today. I guess we can look at a book. I'm not very good at vlogs. So, okay. I'll read the first page, which just looks like this. Yeah, okay. It says, bears don't go to school, neither do lions. Elephants just think they can't read this book. They can't read books like you can. As you read this book, you will find many kinds of stories. Some about things you do every day, and some about things that are EXTRA, extra special. They are all fun parts of doesn't say. Oh, Houghton Mifflin reading. The reason why I said EXTRA is because it has like spaces between like extra the letters. Yeah. And Anthony Brown, this is the author. No copyright. No copyright. Okay. So, we can blow bubbles, I guess. There's bubbles. It's full, but there's no. Okay, ready? Oh, there's one bubble. And it just got on my leggings. Whoa. Ow, got my eye. Oh my gosh. That's pure soap. Just got all over me. But thank goodness I'm not allergic to it. Watch. Oops. Try this way. Whoa. Some got in my mouth. Okay, so actually, it's up to 2 minutes. Actually, what I'm going to talk about is, I would like you guys, you don't have to if you don't want to, but comment down below your favorite YouTubers. I have a couple. My first favorite YouTuber is Sav and Cole. And Everly, of course. They have a great family. They're so cute. I love their family. Shout out to you guys. I also like SSS Sniper Wolf. Shout out to her too. And there's some other YouTubers I like, but they're not my favorite. But I like some, like Colleen Ballinger. I don't know her name. Ballinger. I like Rebecca Zamolo. I like her. She's my favorite. But I also like some other people. Sorry, that's my sister. Yeah. So, yeah. So those are some of my favorite YouTubers. Like I said, I think I said this in other video. If you have the app Recolor, then you can follow me. Because I also took some pictures with this umbrella. You might have, if you do have it and you're following me, you might have seen me outside with it because I took a video where I was like with this. And this thing broke. So, yeah. Doesn't really
Did it break, Autumn?
I don't know. I didn't break it.
I'm wondering like what broke.
Oh, this thing. Oh.
Yeah,
Look. Sorry guys. So yeah, that's this. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, sorry guys, my phone was about to die, so I had to just go plug it in. Sorry. Anyway, yeah, you might have seen me like outside turning my head around just by calling it up. Yeah, I guess that's it. I know that I'm not like other YouTubers, and I know that I like don't really, because I don't vlog on my phone because I'm not very good at vlogging on phones. So I guess I just vlog on my computer. I don't know. But anyway, yeah. I hope you guys like this video. Please comment down below, subscribe, and have a wonderful day. If you don't, then I'm very sorry. Try to make new friends, and yeah, bye.